Let me show you on this video how to integrate Jotform with HighLevel. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm excited to show you how to integrate Jotform with HighLevel. That way, when someone submits a form, it's going to automatically send that contact information to your HighLevel account. All of this is going to be done automatically once we integrate. So let me show you how right now. Okay, so this is my main dashboard and I'm going to select the form that I want to use to integrate with HighLevel. So in this case, I'm going to use this feedback form. I'm going to edit this form and this is going to take me to the form builder. Once I'm here, I've finished building my form. I'm going to jump into settings. In the settings, I'm going to jump into integrations, and in integrations, I'm going to search for HighLevel. So let's go ahead and search for it right now, and it's right here. So let's go ahead and select it. Once we're here, we're going to integrate Jotform with HighLevel. To do that, in this case, I've already done so. So I have the account for me available right here. And if I don't have the connection, I'll create a brand new connection right here. I'm going to allow Jotform to integrate with HighLevel. That way they can talk to one with another. So in this case, I'm going to allow for the access to write, read, the objects, the users, and locations. And I'm going to hit next. I'm going to select the account from HighLevel. And if you have several available accounts in HighLevel, you will see them listed right here. Just go ahead and select the account that you want to use. Now, in this case, I'm already integrated, so I'm going to continue with my account. So let's go ahead and authenticate. And once this is done, I'm going to continue with the integration. Now, what I need to do first is map the fields. By default, most of the fields are going to be ready to go. Now, be aware that if you want to integrate a brand new field from HighLevel that is not on your form, go ahead and add the brand new field right here. And be aware that if you don't have that field in the form, you will need to add that element over there so you have it available over here. In this case, I have everything that I need right here, including city, name, address, phone, state, and the rest of the information. So we are good to go. Now, there's an option to update existing contact. If we have this on and the contact is repeated, and if the data changes, for example, if the phone number changed, it will automatically update it, which is a good option. But if you want to create a brand new contact every single time, even if it's the same contact, go ahead and turn this off right here. So in this case, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and save this, and we are now integrated. To test this, we are going to jump into preview form. And in preview form, we are going to use demo data. So let's go ahead and fill this out right now. Here we go. Let's add some details here. I'm just going to say street, and city, I'm just going to say San Diego, state, California. Here we go. And postal code, I'm just going to say 8,000. Okay. No file upload for this. I'm not going to submit it yet. Let me go ahead and jump over to HighLevel so you understand where this data is going to be reflected. So in HighLevel, this is my main account. I'm in the agency mode right now. I'm going to jump into my specific account, which is this one right here. Once I'm here, I'm going to jump into contacts. Now, when the form is submitted, that contact is going to be added right here automatically every single time that the form is submitted. So let's go ahead and do so right now. Let's go ahead and submit this. Here we go. Let's go into HighLevel and let's go ahead and refresh this right now. And here we go. The contact has now been added with the demo data that I've just submitted. So every single time that the form is submitted, it's going to automatically add it here to your HighLevel account. Now let's go ahead and open this up. We have the full name, we have the phone number, and the rest of the details that were tied to this specific contact. So it's super easy to integrate Jotform with HighLevel. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, build your form, integrate with HighLevel, and start sending over those contacts automatically to your HighLevel account. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the integration with Jotform and HighLevel and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.